Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, as you guys can tell, I'm doing a Slimey Pallets review. So we'll go ahead and just get started. So yeah, very body butter. Apparently it's peach lemon scented, so I'm hoping it smells good. So yeah, let's just see what this slime is like. That's what we're here for. And we're gonna add in these nice sprinkles in here as well. You know, why not? And here's how it looks before I mix it up all together. It's like a purple, pink, blue color. And I'm going to mix it up and see what color it turns out into. So, let me just take this out. And then put these in. Also comes with a charm too. So now I'm going to mix this up together, and after that, we're going to see what color it turns into. So once it's mixed up, it turns into like this pink purpley color. So here it is. Overall, this slime was really good. I rate it an 8 out of 10. So yeah, on to the next one. Next we have Karopi Float. This is a clay slime, or DIY clay slime. So it comes with a clear slime. We're gonna see what that's like first before I add the clay in. Okay, so here is the clear slime, sorry. We're gonna play with this for a little bit before we add the clay in, because you know, yeah. Very clear, very clicky, very thick too. I know a lot of people like thick clear slime, so if that's your thing, then it's for you then. Now I'm gonna add in the clay, so yeah. For that, I'm going to put the slime back in the container first. You're supposed to do that. One container. So before I add the clay in, I want to show you guys what the clay looks like because it's so cute. Look at this. How adorable. And of course it came with these little star sprinkles as well, so I'm going to add those in. Okay, now I'm going to mix this up, so yeah. I don't really have much of a smell. These slimes are very lightly scented, so yeah. Just so you guys know, if you guys want to buy this slime. And I'll go ahead and link their website in the description, so you guys can check them out if you guys are interested. So once it's mixed, it turns into like just like a regular slime. Honestly, but here it is all mixed together. This makes it a green slime. Very nice though. Very thick too, so yeah, but now I'm gonna move on to the very last slime. So yeah. Well, not the last slime. Yeah, this last slime. So yeah. The best slime for last, or what I think the best slime for last, which this is the, what's it called again? The Goodnight Usagi slime. This is strawberry milkshake scented. And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to add this slime on top as well, so, I mean, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but we're gonna do that anyway, so. But honestly, first, you gotta look at the slime first, because you know. This slime smells so good. This smells so good. Now I want strawberry milkshake. I might just get one, honestly. This slime itself is like, it's like a buttery texture, so yeah, but so it comes with the clay pieces. That's, I can get the clay out. There you go. So it comes with this little charm, which I think is so cute. Look how cute she is. I'm keeping her in my collection. So yeah. Okay, like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to add this slime on top. So if this is our bar slime, I'm pretty sure it is. So this one smells, I don't know what it smells like. So, and like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna add this slime into this or not. I'm just going to do it anyways because you know why not. So yeah. Get that on there. Then I add in the clay piece right here. So here it is, all is in glory. Now I'm gonna mix it all up, which is the most exciting part, you know. Mixing slime and clay is exciting. At least I think it is. This slime was like twice its size after adding the clay in. Once it's mixed up, it turns into like this like very nice clay slime, which I think is honestly feels great. I think these slimes are great slimes. I really liked all of them. They are very lightly scented, so if you are sensitive to like scents and stuff like that, then these slimes would be probably good for you then. And as you can probably tell, I did have to change containers because the last times I haven't played a lot. So it is nice that they come with like, you know, extra deli containers and whatnot, so you don't have to like use your own. Well, you can use your own if you want to, but it's still nice to have. It's still nice to have for them to come with them. Also, I forgot to show you guys at the beginning of the video, but it also comes with the care sheet and a piece of candy, like, you know, how most slime shops do, and activator, and then this really cute avocado pen that I'm going to probably use and stuff. So, look how cute this is. Is this a pen? I think it's a pen. Maybe it's not a pen. It is a pen. Okay, good. Anyways, so overall, I rated Slime Shop and 9 out of 10. I do wish the scents were a little bit stronger, but that's just my opinion. But other than that, the slimes were honestly great. And like I said, I'll go ahead and link their shop in the description. You guys can go check them out. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye!